Let's continue with remaining problems today. Your first question is x dy by dx plus 2y equal to log x. We know linear differential equation of first order is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. So first let us write this in this form. So dividing this equation with x. So dy by dx plus 2 by x into y equal to log x by x. Okay. Now here p is equal to 2 by x and q equal to log x by x. So first let us find the integrating factor. If is equal to e power integral p dx, which is e power integral 2 by x dx. Let's put 2 outside the integral sign. So 1 by x dx, which is equal to e power 2 log x. This is nothing but e power log x square. 2 we are writing as the power of x. So e power log x square is x square. So here integrating factor is x square. Therefore, the required solution is y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor. Okay, so here y into x square equal to integral log x by x into x square dx. So here it is integral x log x dx. So what is integral x log x? Integral x log x dx. So this one we'll integrate by using integration by parts. So here u equal to x and v dash equal to, u equal to log x and v dash equal to x. So derivative of u dash is 1 by x and integral of x is x square by 2. So we know the formula for integration by parts, integral uv dash equal to uv minus integral u dash v. So this is equal to u into v. So x square by 2 log x minus integral u dash 1 by x into x square by 2. So this is equal to x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 integral x dx. Okay. So this is equal to x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 into x square by 2 plus c. So integral x log x is x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 4 x square plus c. So for integrating x log x we have used integration by parts. Okay. So let's see the next question. Dy by dx plus y secant x equal to tan x. So comparing this with the general form, dy by dx plus py equal to q, py equal to q, here p equal to secant x and q is equal to tan x. Okay, so integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral secant x dx. Now we know integral secant x is e power log, integral secant x is log secant x plus tan x. So we are writing it as e power log secant x plus tan x. So that is equal to secant x plus tan x. Okay, so we have the integrating factor. Now we have to find the solution. So solution is y into if is equal to integral q into if. Okay, so y into secant x plus tan x equal to integral tan x into secant x plus tan x dx. So multiply this one, integral tan x into secant x plus tan x into tan x is tan square x. Okay, fine. Now, all of us know the formula for integral secant x tan x. Now, we don't have for tan square x. So, tan square x I am writing as secant square x minus 1. Okay, tan square x is written as secant square x minus 1. Now, integral tan x secant x dx is secant x plus integral secant square x dx is tan x minus integral 1 dx or integral dx is x plus c. So that is the required solution. Okay, let's see the next problem. All the problems are of the same model. You just have to understand that linear differential equation of first order is dy by dx plus py equal to q. So whatever equation is given to you, you have to first write it in linear form. That means first you have to divide with 1 plus x square. Whatever coefficient is there for dy by dx, that with that you have to divide. So dy by dx plus 1 by 1 plus x square into y equal to e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Okay, we are dividing the equation with 1 plus x square. Remember, you have to divide throughout, that is both LHS and RHS. Now comparing these two, we understand P is equal to 1 plus x square and Q is equal to e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. So here P equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. We know integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x. So this is e power tan inverse x. So this is our integrating factor, e power tan inverse x. Now we'll write the solution. So solution is y into integrating factor. So y into e power tan inverse x equal to integral q into integrating factor. Q is e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into e power tan inverse x dx. So e power tan inverse x into e power tan inverse x. So bases are same. Adding these powers, we have e power 2 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x. Okay. Here, to solve this integral, now if we can observe derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So we can use substitution method here. So let t equal to tan inverse x. So dt equal to 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this is equal to e power 2t. Tan inverse x we have taken as t, and 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. So into dt. We know integral e power x is e power x. So integral e power 2t is e power 2t. Derivative of 2t is 2. So e power 2t by 2 plus c. We have taken t to be tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c is the required solution. Okay. So to solve the integral here, we have used substitution method, and here e power tan inverse x, we did not get e power log, so it is e power tan inverse x. It will remain like that. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Dy by dx plus 2 by x into y equal to 2x square. So this is in the linear form, dy by dx plus py equal to q. So here p is equal to 2 by x and q is equal to 2x square. So if is equal to e power integral p dx. So e power integral 2 by x dx. E power, this 2 I am writing outside the sign. So integral 1 by x dx. All of us know integral 1 by x dx is log x. So this is e power 2 log x, or this 2 becomes the power. So it is e power log x square, which is equal to x square. So now let us find the solution. So solution is y into integrating factor, which is x square, equal to integral q is 2x square, into integrating factor is x square. This is if, okay, dx. So x square into x square, 2 integral x power 4, 2 plus 2 is 4 dx. So integral x power 4 is 2 into x power 5 by 5 plus c. This is x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so this is the solution. I think by now you have got used to with the method. So I would suggest you to just take the question, put a pause to the video and then solve it and then check your answer. Okay. So next question is dy by dx plus 4x by 1 plus x square into y, which is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. So this is already in the linear form, dy by dx plus py equal to q. So here p is equal to 4x by 1 plus x square. We have to find integrating factor. So if is equal to e power integral p dx, which is 4x by 1 plus x square dx. Now I have to integrate this. Now denominator is 1 plus x square. What is its derivative? Derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. In the numerator I have 4x. So 4x I can write as e power 2 integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. So this 2 2's is 4, no? So that 2 I have to get to 2x, 1 2 I have written outside this integral sign. Now whatever is left over now here is in the form f dash of x by f of x. So integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log f of x. So this is equal to e power 2 log 1 plus x square. So this is e power log 1 plus x square whole square. So e power log, so 1 plus x square whole square. So this is my integrating factor. Now I have to write the solution. So solution is y into integrating factor, y into 1 plus x square whole square equal to integral q. Q is 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into integrating factor 1 plus x square whole square. So you can observe these two are the same term, so these two get cancelled and integral 1 dx or dx. So integral dx is equal to x plus c. That is the solution. So here you have to just observe that the derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. I have 4x in the numerator, so that 4x I am writing as 2 into 2x. So this will will change to the form f dash of x by f of x. So we know integral f dash of x by f of x is log f of x. Okay. Now let's see the last question. 1 plus x whole square dy by dx plus y equal to tan inverse x. So linear form is dy by dx plus py equal to q. Again I have a coefficient for dy by dx, so to change this into this form I have to divide this equation with 1 plus x square. So by doing so I get dy by dx plus 1 by 1 plus x square into y equal to tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Okay, so here this is p and this is q. So p is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So if equal to e power integral p dx, which is e power integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. So e power tan inverse x is my integrating factor. So solution is y into e power tan inverse x, which is equal to integral q into, so here q is tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into integrating factor is e power tan inverse x dx. Okay. Now I have to integrate this to get my solution. I have a tan inverse x into e power tan inverse x. So tan inverse x I am finding common in these two, and derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So I observe I can be using substitution method here. So let tan inverse x equal to t. So 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to dt. Differentiating this, tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to dt. So I am substituting it here. Tan inverse x is t into e power t, 1 by 1 plus x square dx, or dx by 1 plus x square is dt. dt. Okay, now integral t into e power t. If you remember integral x into e power x, you can directly use that, or if you don't remember, you can use integration by parts to find out this. See, you take this as u and this one as v dash. So u is equal to t and v dash equal to e power t. U dash, derivative of t is 1, integral e power t is e power t. So by applying integration by parts formula, integral uv dash equal to uv minus integral u dash v. So this is equal to y e power tan inverse x is equal to u into v t e power t minus integral u dash into v, ante integral e power t dt. So this is t e power t minus integral e power t is e power t plus c. So from these two I can take e power t common into t minus 1 plus c. Finally, don't forget to write what is t. T is tan inverse x into tan inverse x minus 1 plus c. So that is our final solution. If you remember, integral x e power x dx is equal to e power x into x minus 1 plus c. You can directly apply that formula and write this step. Okay, if it's given for 4 marks, if it's given for 7 marks, you have to do it completely. Okay, so learn all the problems, practice them thoroughly. Always pause your video, just note down your question, pause your video, try to do it on your own, and then check your answer with the video. Okay, have a nice day. Have a nice day and a nice year ahead.